Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the channel where timeless machines get the spotlight they deserve. Today we're taking a closer look at the 1966 Pontiac, a classic icon from an era when American muscle ruled the roads. This car has been admired for decades, not only for its bold styling but for the character it brought to the streets. In this video, we're diving into a refreshed exterior overview, a look at how the car performs even today, what kind of speed and fuel numbers it's capable of, and how much you can expect to pay for one in the current market. The 1966 Pontiac remains instantly recognizable, and when you give it a modern restoration or exterior update, the design becomes even more striking. The long, wide body that Pontiac was known for still stands strong, but with fresh paint, restored chrome, and updated trim, the car gets a level of refinement that makes it feel alive again. Many owners go for a high-gloss finish to bring out the deep curves along the fenders, while others prefer a period-correct matte or metallic tone for authenticity. Restored chrome bumpers shine with a mirror-like finish, adding that bold American flair. Updated LED lighting, when used tastefully, can bring extra visibility without taking away from the car's original look. The wide grille, stacked headlights, and sharp Pontiac lines remain the soul of the exterior, and even with new updates, the vehicle keeps that unmistakable 1960s personality that makes people stop and stare. Moving into performance, the 1966 Pontiac was originally offered with several V8 engine options, each delivering strong power and a deep muscle car rumble. Even today, with proper maintenance or restoration, these engines perform with surprising smoothness. Many updated models run rebuilt or upgraded version 8s, which not only improve reliability but also give better throttle response and cleaner power delivery. The handling is still very much classic American muscle. Straight-line performance is where the car feels most at home. Steering tends to be heavier than modern vehicles, but that weight gives you a solid, connected feel to the road. Suspension upgrades, such as modern shocks and improved bushings, can tighten up the ride, making it more comfortable and predictable without removing the vintage character. As for maximum speed, a well-maintained or restored 1966 Pontiac can reach speeds around the 110 to 120 miles per hour range, depending on engine setup, tuning, and any performance modifications. These cars weren't designed for high-speed cornering like modern sports machines. Their strength lies in straight-line torque and the satisfying surge of acceleration. The roar of the engine, the vibration, and the power delivery all create a driving experience that's more emotional than technical, and that's exactly what makes classic car enthusiasts fall in love with them. Fuel average on a classic V8 like this is far from modern efficiency standards. Depending on the engine tuning and whether the car is running a rebuilt carburetor or a modernized fuel system, you can expect somewhere between 10 to 15 miles per gallon. This is a car you admire, cruise, and experience, not something you choose for low-cost commuting. Owners who add electronic ignition or upgraded carburation sometimes squeeze out slightly better mileage, but at the end of the day, a classic Pontiac drinks fuel the way a muscle car should. Now on to current pricing. The value of a 1966 Pontiac can vary widely depending on condition, originality, and the model variant. Fully restored examples with fresh paint, rebuilt engines, and updated mechanicals can range anywhere from the mid-$30,000s to $60,000 or more. Highly original or show-quality restorations often reach significantly higher numbers in collector markets. Meanwhile, project cars or partially restored models might fall in the $12,000 to $20,000 range. Prices continue to climb year after year as fewer well-preserved models remain available. The 1966 Pontiac is more than a car, it's a piece of American automotive history, a symbol of power, style, and craftsmanship. With updated exteriors and careful restoration, it still turns heads today. Its performance retains that muscle-era spirit, its speed satisfies anyone seeking vintage thrill, and its value continues to grow. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the machines that shaped our automotive world.